information about TKP, let us introduce ourselves. Let me introduce myself, Mutia Habijabela Giurni, number 27.
And I, Wahyu Eva Fernanda, number 33. And we will tell you about the legend of the TGP State 2. Do you know what TGP stands for?
TKP stands for Student Training Army.
The young generation of Madiun really know that Madiun has stories of heroic struggles against the Dutch colonials. State Junior High School to Madiun, formerly called Old Market Junior High School, as the trip headquarters. There was a heroic story until the death of student Mulyati Basindo from supporting PKI Musuh. Then a monument was built from of State Junior High School to Madiun, and the Mulyati Monument Masjid Road was enchanted by the ex-Brigade 17 Association in 1987. As a tribute fighter, Yusuf Murti often took part in guerrillas. Usually he and friends attacked the Dutch headquarters located on Pahlawan Road, now becomes the Mall Matahari at night, and hide in the village around the forest during the day.
Once he was injured and then treated by a doctor, but a few days later, the doctor was arrested by Dutch soldiers and his fate is unknown. Mr. Yusuf recalled with tears in his eyes. He also revealed several concerning incidents when he was participating in guerrilla warfare. Once the troops stopped by a village and stayed for several days in the house of one of the residents. There was information from intelligence that the Dutch would come to the village. The troop immediately left the village quickly, but one of the troop bags was left behind until the Dutch found the house and burned it down until nothing was left. The residents and their families fled with the guerrilla troop. This is what made Mr. Yusuf feel sad, especially when the government gave award to members of the fighters. These men who indirectly devoted his wealth and soul did not receive an award for some reason. After the war to defend independence, Mr. Yusuf caused to continue his education and pursue his career as an employee at the Madiun Forestry Service.
After the PKI or Musuh incident in Madiun, followed by the Dutch military aggression too. In order to defend the independence of the Republic of Indonesia, the TGP seniors opened registration for young people to join the Kenny Student Army against the Dutch military aggression. Now at Junior High School 12 Madiun, at the time 98 TGP members gathered and Company 2 was formed in the Madiun area. After the initial arrival of the Dutch, the TGP troops lost 2 members, namely Heru and Suwarno, children of Pandan Road and Kalimantan Road. When they were assigned to blow up the telephone office in Brondong Dutch soldiers. Then what was touching was the death of young men Bagja and Suparno. Both of one had been close friends since childhood from the Juritan Madiun area. Both of whom died. while installing a lockout on the Saradan Highway near Saradan Junior Tunnel. His body was both destroyed and one buried in TPM Madiun. In the first years of the struggles, TGB Company 2 Madiun had 36 fighters killed on the battlefield.
That's all the video about the TGB legend from us. Thank you and see you!